These mini food build videos are going absolutely viral right now. This Instagram page has 239,000 followers and is pulling millions of views on their videos, and one has even hit 123 million views. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. Here's what I made in less than 5 minutes. So to get started, join my free community. The link's in the description. Once you're in, hit the GPTs button, open the mini food build generator, and click the first link. In the GPT, click Start the Generator. It's going to give you 10 scenes to choose from. You can pick a number, type your own idea, or say more if nothing's jumping out. I'm going to go with number 4. Once it's loaded, the GPT will give you an image prompt and a video prompt. Copy the image prompt and head over to OpenArt. The link's in the description. In OpenArt, go to Image, then Create Image. Click on Model and select GPT Image 2. Paste your prompt in the prompt box. Set the output to 9:16 and 2K and choose medium quality. Pick how many images you want and hit Generate. Here's how mine came out. Tiny workers working on a giant strawberry. I love how detailed it is. So just pick the one you like and click Frame to Video on the right side. Scroll up, click on Model and choose Seedance 2.0. Go back to the GPT and copy the video prompt. Paste it into OpenArt. Make sure the audio toggle is on. For the mode, choose Normal. Set the output to 9:16, 720p, 5 seconds, then hit Generate. And it's that simple. Here are some other videos I made using this method. So that's the full workflow. All the links you need are in the description. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next viral AI niche. See you in the next one.